Hi, it's Nørgaard. So welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So please excuse my voice if you can tell it's different. I am getting over a cold. But anyway, today I'm all like geared up for my little video. Today I'm wearing like my Bratz shirt, I'm wearing my Bratz hairpin, because today I'm reviewing and demoing this Makeup Revolution and Bratz palettes. So this one is the big tin palette with all the girls on it. So this is what the inside looks like. I love the whole color scheme of this palette. I love the look, I must say. I really love the look. And I love all the colors in here. I know the colors look very random, but to me I really like it because I feel like it's, you know, it's within the Bratz aesthetic. You know, it's kind of childish, but in a good way, I think. So I decided to do a purple look for today's little tutorial because of course Bratz equals purple. And I'm also wearing the Bratz Maxi Plump lip gloss in Cloe. If you haven't seen it already, I did already post my review and tutorial of the Cloe palette. I was not a big fan of this. I did like the end look that I came up with, but none of the colors really impressed me. In this palette, all the little palettes with each individual girl on them, they retail for 17 euros, whereas this big palette is 22 euros. So yeah, I will just give it to you right now. I really like this palette. I like it so much better than the Cloe palette. These colors are just great, I think. And you will see throughout the video how these just apply so beautifully. So I do still have 3 palettes left. Let me know which one you would like to see next down in the comment section. I feel like I want to do Jade, probably. But yeah, anyway, let's just get into it now. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And now without further ado, here comes the video. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with a big mirror, and here are all the colors. Color selection is like really random, but I really like it. I feel like it really fits the theme because it is kind of like childish, but in a good way, you know. And this is the look that I'm doing today. So let's get right into it. I'm going to use this light purple matte color, and this one is called My Girls. But of course, first I have to prime, so I'm using the Anastasia Eye Primer. And if you can hear it in my voice, I have had a cold, so that's why I'm sounding a little bit funky. I am almost recovered now though. It wasn't corona, but my voice is still a little bit raspy. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this light purple in the crease. And I'm going to do a halo eye, as you can see. So I'm going to bring it down in the outer corner and the inner corner. And you can see this color has a lot of pigment. And it's also very easy to blend, and it doesn't have a ton of fallout. It is a bit on the dusty side, but it's not too bad. So for my highlight, I'm going to use this middle big shade called Halo. And I'm going to just press that on the brow bone. This color is also very nice actually. And I'm going to just bring it in a little bit. Next up, I'm going to use this shimmery purple called Super Styling. And this one I'm going to apply in the outer corner to begin with. And this one does have a little bit of fallout. And I'm also going to apply it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to connect the two in the crease with whatever is left on the brush. And then I'm going to go back in and blend. So to deepen up the look even more, I'm going to use this color called Fashion Pack. It's a very dark matte kind of purplish navy blue. So again, I'm going to add this first to the inner and outer corners. And as you can see, this adds some dimension to the look. But it's not as dark on the eye as it looks like in the pan. But I still like it. I think for a dark, like purpley navy, it works pretty well. And then I'm going to use a tiny little brush from Morphe to blend this out. So to do my halo eye, I'm going to use a little bit more of the base and just cut right where I want my halo to be. And then I'm going to use the color Jasmine up here and the color Fashion right here. And before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the base and blend out the corners. And then I'm going to take Jasmine and apply it on the outer corners. So first out here and then over here. And Jasmine is a very beautiful color. It's super easy to work with also. It's one of my favorite colors in this palette. And then I'm applying Fashion in the middle. Fashion is one of those crumply shimmery shades that are very hard to work with. So I don't like this one as much. And the main difference between the two is that Fashion is more pink and has a different formula, of course. But yeah, I definitely prefer Jasmine. And then I'm going to blend out the edges. So now I'm using the highlight color Halo. Again, the one we used on the brow bone. I'm going to use it around the tear duct, and this time I'm using it wet, just to give it a little more pop. So now I will do my liquid liner, my mascara and my lashes, and I'll be back so we can do the lower lash line together. So I have my liner and my mascara and my lashes on. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to use a really simple combination of My Girls and Fashion Pack. So I'm going to start with the lighter color, and I'm going to dab that along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Fashion Pack and work it closer to the lashes. So in the waterline, I'm going to use this Crybaby eyeliner from ColourPop. It's a nice lilac color. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to remove my lip balm, and I'm going to use Strip Down by MAC. As you can see, I love this pencil. Okay, now I'm going to use the Cloe lip gloss from the Bratz collection. It looks like this. I also use this in my Cloe tutorial, and I really like this gloss. I like the color, I like the pigment, I like the plumping effect, I like the scent, I like the lasting power. I just love everything about it. Okay, so just for a finishing touch, I'm going to apply the Halo color as a little bit of highlight. I already am wearing highlight, but let's just apply a little bit more. This is the same color I used on the brow bone and in the corner. Alright, but there we have it. This is my finished look. And I actually really like this look. If you saw my review of the Cloe eyeshadow palette, you would have seen that I didn't really like that one. This one I like a lot better. This one is just so much better. I would highly recommend this one. I used... oh, let's see if I can open it. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors from this palette, and I thought all of them were pretty decent. I did have a little bit of trouble with the Fashion color, the one I used right in the center of the eyelid, because it's one of those crumply shimmery shades. But I really loved Jasmine and how that applied and how shiny that was, and the formula. I really liked the highlight color, really loved the matte purple. Really love the matte navy, and I also like, you know, the shimmery purple. Just really love this palette. I love the look, you know, it's really cute, and I really love the colors. I think it has some perfect like Bratz colors. You know, it has a few neutrals in here definitely, but you have all your fun colors. You have your pinks and your purples and your greens, and I know for some people it might be off-putting that it's so like randomly placed, you know, the colors in here, but I really like it. I think it goes with the vibe of the Bratz collection. Okay, so there you guys have my Bratz review. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial down below, and don't forget to thumbs up the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And that's all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, so take care and bye bye.